Today, we're going to be comparing to the biggest prop firms in the prop firm space, Lucid Trading and Apex Trader Funding. And in today's video, we're going to be comparing the 50K account sizes. Now, when we start off with Lucid Trading, it has 3 accounts. We have the Lucid Pro account, which in this account, one of the main benefits is the fact that we can pass in as little as 1 day. Then we have the Lucid Flex account, which is my favorite, which is the accounts I currently have with Lucid Trading. And you also have Lucid Direct, which if your time is very valuable and you want to skip the evaluation phase, you can get the Lucid Direct account. But as you can see, there's quite a large price tag associated with it. Then when we come over and look at Apex Trader Funding, we can see right now as we scroll down, we can see a couple different accounts. And recently, Apex has made some changes, not only with their rules, but also with some of the offerings. Now, Apex has an intraday trailing drawdown and an end of the day trailing drawdown account. Now, this will come in a 25K, 50K, 100K, 150K account size, which is the same sizes that Lucid Trading also offers. However, something Apex just recently dropped, as some traders hate to pay the activation fee, you can now get an account with 0 activation fee. Now, I know what you're thinking, because when you come over to Lucid Trading, regardless which account you choose, you pay 0 activation fee. And something Lucid Trading does that no other prop firm previously had done was the fact that when you buy an account with Lucid Trading, you can see right here, it's a one-time payment. Now, their website is a little bit misleading because you can see a 50K Flex account. If you use the discount code, it says $98. However, if you go to propfirmmike.com, we can sort by the 50K account size. And as we can see, if you double click on true cost, this will take into consideration any activation fee and the fee you pay for the evaluation. Lucid Trading's Flex account is the cheapest option to get involved with the 50K account size. Apex is simply $9 more, so they are very closely priced, but some of the rules are drastically different. And just to show you guys that Lucid Trading is $70 if you use code Mike, as you can see from this screenshot right here, when you check out for the first 2 uses, you can save 50% off using code Mike. So now let's take a look at some of the things that makes the Lucid Flex account such a good offer. We already talked about you have a one-time payment, but the drawdown type is also end of the day, meaning the drawdown never moves up until the end of the day if the trader has made profit. Look at the daily loss limit, DLL. There is 0 daily loss limit in this account. Consistency rule. Now, this is only applied in the evaluation phase. There is a 50% consistency rule, which means the quickest a trader can pass this account is going to be in 2 days. We look at the max contract size. We can trade 4 minis or 40 micros. And something that really separates Lucid Trading from some other prop firms out there, account activation fee, there's none. Daily loss limit, none. But as soon as you pass this Lucid account, let's say we pass it before lunchtime, we can be trading in the funded account roughly within 30 minutes after passing the evaluation. Now, if we go over to Apex Trader Funding and we look at the EOD trailing drawdown, what I'm going to do is I'm going to come right up here under new products. I'm going to select the EOD drawdown accounts, since that's going to be the account that is the most similar to the Lucid account. And let's look at the EOD evaluation. Now, if we look, Apex has done a very good job of simplifying their rules. We can see in the 50K account, we have a profit target of $3,000, which that's going to be the same exact profit target that Lucid Trading has. Also notice Lucid's drawdown is going to be $2,000. Well, Apex also has a $2,000 drawdown. However, this is where it starts to differ a little bit. If you guys remember, Lucid Trading has no daily loss limit. Apex Trader Funding does have a daily loss limit of $1,000. Now, if you do hit this daily loss limit, it's just a soft breach. Come 6 o'clock, you can trade that account again. Max contract size, this is also different. We can trade either 6 minis or 60 micros. So if we compare that over here to Lucid, where we can only trade 4 minis or 40 micros, we got to give the edge over here to Apex. Now, access period, 30 days. So just like Lucid, you pay one time, but Apex, this is going to vary just a bit. You either have to pass the account in 30 days or you'll simply have to buy a new account. Now, let me know in the comment section down below, do you normally blow an account before 30 days in the evaluation, Or are you normally able to pass it within 30 days? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Now, if you look at consistency rule, there is 0 consistency rule, which this means we are able to pass the evaluation in one single day. We look at scaling. Scaling, there is no scaling rule. And something we want to think about, because this is going to be a contributing factor. If we look right here at the EOD account, 50K account size, we look at the standard account, meaning not the one with the activation fee. You can see right now you can pick up an account for $45. So if you're a trader that fails a lot of evaluations, Apex Trader funding may be the cheaper option that you want to explore. Now, if we take a look at Apex, we take a look at the trading rules. Very simple. Do not breach the end of the day trailing drawdown. That will go ahead and cause you to fail the account. Now, no prohibited trading activity. Now, I would suggest everybody to go ahead and read the prohibited trading activities. A lot of it's common sense, like don't share your login with anybody else, trade your own account. We are no longer allowed to stockpile a bunch of evaluation accounts, unsustainable strategies, deviating professional standards, manipulating of simulation environment, unauthorized users, account and resource sharing, multiple account creations, holding open trades through the market close, no automated or algorithmic usage allowed. News trading, well, this is one that we do want to pay attention to. Trading during news is allowed for your normal trading strategy. News trading strategies that chase the market or place orders on both sides, looking for a lucky type of windfall type of trade. Now, an example of that would be, let's say that this was a news item right here, this candle, which it was not, but let's just say that it was. Let's say that trader knows the news is coming out, let's say 8:30 in the morning, whatever time the news comes out. They put a buy stop right above here and a sell stop, just trying to capture that initial spike when the news hit. That is not going to be allowed. However, if you're trading a normal trading strategy that you normally trade, that will not be a problem. Also, no hedging of any kind. Now, something I do in all my accounts, I only have one open trade at one time. That way I'm in no gray area. So as we can see, that Apex has drastically reduced the amount of rules. Now, if you go over to their homepage, something that Apex is now proud of, welcome to the all new Apex. End of the day drawdown accounts, no payout denials, no MAE rule, no 5-to-1 reward to risk ratio, built-in scaling, 50% consistency. In the past, in a funded account, they had a 30% rule. They have now bumped it up. And let me know, do you guys like the changes that Apex has made? Now, let's go ahead and take a look at Lucid. Now, if you want to see some of the more nitty-gritty rules inside of Lucid, go right over here to the FAQ. Under there, we're going to be looking at the Lucid Flex account, as that's the accounts that I currently trade with. And when we look at the evaluation accounts, you can see this account, we can pass in as little as 2 days. Apex, you're able to pass it in 1 day. So if you're a trader that wants to be able to pass in 1 day, well, you either have to go with the Lucid Pro, or you'd be better off going with Apex Trader funding. You can already see here, here's the contract sizes that we can trade. Again, one-time fee, no monthly rebilling, take as long as you need to pass. Now, real-time activation for funded accounts within 5 to 30 minutes of hitting your profit target. No activation fee to upgrade to a funded account. There is no DLL on the Lucid Flex evaluation accounts. The Lucid Flex evaluation 50% consistency has cushion built in, so you can pass in 2 days. So that seems pretty simple. Not a lot of rules like we saw with Apex, but let's talk about what's most important. Go over here under payouts, because if we're trading these accounts, what do us traders care about the most? We care about what do we have to do in order to get a payout. Well, if we look at payout eligibility, trading days with profit, traders must earn at least a minimum profit of 5 separate days during the payout cycle. The minimum profit on trading days resets and must be earned again after every approved payout. So in the 50K account, we have to have at least 5 days where we make $150. So technically, if we go 150 times 5, we can technically get a payout with making as little as $750. However, if we scroll down here real quick and take a look at how the payout actually works, minimum payout request, well, that's going to be $500. You're going to see here in a moment that that 750 number is not going to be true. Maximum payout request. Future traders may request 50% of their account balance up to a maximum dollar amount. So in the 50K account, the most that we can request out per payout cycle is going to be $2,000. Now, in order to request $2,000 out, we are going to have to make $4,000. Now, if we come over and look at Apex Trader Funding real quick, we look at EOD payouts. We scroll down here real quick, up to weekly payouts with 100% payout split. So if we go back over and we look at Lucid real quick, we can see Lucid has a 90-10 split. So any money you request out, the trader's only going to get it. The trader will only be able to keep 90% as Lucid will keep the other 10%. With Apex Trader Funding, the trader gets to keep 100% of the profit. Now, just like Lucid, minimum payout amount is going to be $500. 50% consistency rule applies. With Lucid, there's zero consistency rule once you are funded. So with Apex, you want to think about this. When you go to request a payout, no one day should be more than 50% of your total profit. So for simple math, let's say that your account balance is now $3,000. We go 3,000 and just simply divide that by 2. Don't let any one day be more than $1,500 of profit. Again, that's pretty simple. Nothing hard about that. Now we come over here and we look in the 50K account. There is going to be a minimum amount. You have to make $250 in order to count as one of the 5 days. Now there is going to be a safety net. So we cannot start withdrawing until we've already made $2,100. So the account balance has to be up to $52,100. So the minimum balance to request a payout is going to be $52,600. So we essentially have to make $2,600 before we're able to even request $500. Now, something to think about with Apex, you can only have a max of 6 payouts. What happens after 6 payouts? Well, your funded account goes bye-bye and you have to start the process over. Now, if this is a sticking point for you, I want you guys to let me know in the comment section down below, how many of you guys actually get past payout number 6 with any prop firm out there? Most of the time, traders are going to blow accounts before that ever takes place. Now, there is another rule that I want to make sure that everybody is very aware of. If we come on down here real quick, I want you guys to pay attention. Right here under the inactivity rule, Apex does have an inactivity rule. What is that inactivity rule? Because I was not aware of it until somebody brought it up during the live stream. Well, if we scroll down here real quick, it's really not that bad. We have to have at least 2 trading days with $50 or more of net profit every 30-day period. This will be a rolling 30-day period. So if you are trading the account, I don't think it's that far-fetched for a trader to be able to make $50 at least 2 trading days within a 30-day cycle. Now, if we come over and look at Lucid Trading and look at the inactivity policy, what do they have? We see this was updated May 12th. Accounts that have not been trading result in at least a net profit or loss of $1 within 30 calendar days will be deemed abandoned and will be permanently deleted from our system. Lucid Trading also has an inactivity rule. I could not even wrap my head around having an account and not trading it for 30 days. So for me, this is simply not going to be a deal breaker. Now, let me know in the comment section down below, which account do you guys like best? Is it Apex Trader Funding with the cheaper accounts to get started? Or is it the new kid on the block, Lucid Trading? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. And if you want to learn how to get started with Lucid Trading and connect Lucid Trading so you can trade it on TradingView, make sure to watch this next video right here.